Community building is an essential part of any successful organization or business, but creating a community strategy can seem daunting. Here are some steps you can follow to create an effective community strategy. Let's go. Start by defining your goals. What do you have to achieve by building a community? Is it to increase brand awareness, generate leads, or improve customer satisfaction? Identifying your goals will help you create a community that is aligned with your overall business objectives. Next, identify your target audience. Who are the people you want to engage with? What are their interests and behaviors? Understanding your target audience will help you create content and activities that resonate with them. Next, choose the right platform. Depending on your goals and target audience, you may choose to build a community on social media, a dedicated forum, or a collaboration platform. Make sure to choose a platform that your audience is already using. Next step is to set up a guidelines and rules. Creating a safe and respectful environment is crucial for any community. Establishing guidelines and rules that outlines acceptable behavior and content will help you create a positive community culture. Next, develop a content plan. Engaging content is the key to keep your community active and interested. Develop a content plan that includes educational, promotional, and fun content that aligns with the goals of your target audience. Engage participation. Encouraging participation and encouragement is essential for building a vibrant community. You can do this by asking questions, responding to comments, and hosting events or contests. Next, measure your success. It's important to measure the success of your community strategy to see what's working and what's not. Set up metrics and regularly track your progress. Use this data to improve your community strategy and make data-driven decisions. Finally, be patient. Building a community takes time and patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay consistent, keep providing value, and you will eventually build a thriving community. In summary, creating a community strategy requires careful planning, consistent execution, and regular measurement. By following these steps, you can build a community that supports your business goals and engages your target audience.